Hello friends, this is a tutorial on Nimble technology about the project and how you can pre-mine Nimble tokens absolutely free of cost if you have a GPU based PC at home, or if you don't have a GPU, then you can rent a GPU or a VPS on Cloud.ai on a very nominal fees of around $5 per day, and you can pre-mine Nimble network tokens. So what is Nimble network? Let's check their website. It's a modular AI network. If you want, you can go through their white paper or the light paper, and they have big partners like all the big blockchains, the Polygon, Manta, BSC, Sei, all the big blockchains they have already partnered with. So that means this token would be coming on all the big blockchains, and so it will be a interoperable token. So what values they are delivering? They are working on a borderless ecosystem inclusive by design and open protocol. And what applications they are building? They are building on DeFi, they're building on Deepin and GameFi. So out of these three, we already know that Deepin, decentralized physical infrastructure network, and GameFi are the two hot narratives of upcoming bull run. So this project we can compare with Akash Network or Ether Cloud, because in Ether Cloud also they are providing computing power, distributed computing power, and in the same way Nimble technology is also providing distributed computing power. So the team is doxed, and you can go through the website to check further details. And now I will give you the tutorial on how you can pre-mine Nimble tokens absolutely free of cost in a wallet. This tutorial is going to be a bit technical, so you need to proceed just step by step, and if at any step you get confused, you can just pause the video and repeat the step and then watch it again. So the very first step you need to do is create a wallet. So Nimble network doesn't have a UI based wallet as of now, so we need to create a CLI based wallet. So I'll tell you steps how you can create a CLI based wallet. And first of all, we need to have Ubuntu installed on our Windows PC. So if you don't have Ubuntu, you can simply go to the Microsoft store, and you can type Ubuntu. So you need to check the version Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS. So I've already installed it, and if you are installing it for the first time, so now Ubuntu is installed on my Windows PC, and I need to after that I need to check if Go is installed in Ubuntu or not. So to check that, we need to type command go version. So it says command go not found but can be installed with this. Okay, so we need to install Go, and we can close this window. So copy the command below to run it in your terminal. So these you just need to copy this command and run it in Ubuntu. So I'll share a link of this just copy this. First of all, we need to install tmux. So you just need to copy this command and run it in Ubuntu. Go to Ubuntu and enter. So you need to set a password, and the password will not be visible. Okay, so after tmux is installed, let's go to the next command, which is install go. If go is already installed, you just need to check the version if it is installed or not. You go back to Ubuntu and just check go version. Command go not found, but can be installed with this command. Okay, now let's copy these commands: sudo apt update, and we go to Ubuntu again and press enter, press password. So it's installing. Go. So now we can check the go version. Go version. So the go version is to 22.1 is already installed. So we have to do this step to create the wallet. Without doing this step, you won't be able to create the wallet. Now this is the command to create wallet. So just be very careful how to create this. So we go to Ubuntu again and just copy this command and make install. Press enter. So this is the same password which you entered the first time. Okay, so now we need to make the wallet. So copy this and paste it here. Okay, so now what you need to be this is our command to create the CLI wallet. So you don't want your wallet to be named as wallet name. You can delete it and you can create, like, put a name over here and press enter. So this will be the last three characters, like in my case it's ICC, will be the name of the wallet. Press enter. Enter keying passphrase. So you need to keep a password for your wallet. So keep a password. Press enter. Okay. Now you will see three things in this. First is the address. So this is your master address. This is the name of the wallet. This is your public key, and this after key is your private key. I'm not going to use this wallet anyways, so this is for your information. And this the last words, this main, humble, huge, these are the mnemonic words. So what you need to do is copy all of this, starting from here, and make a notepad or a word doc, and paste all that in that Word document. So mind you, you don't have to give your private key to anyone. You just need this address, the master address. Okay. Now we have to repeat this step once again, because we need at least two addresses. So we go to Ubuntu again, and I need to copy the command for the wallet, and change the wallet name. Now this is your sub wallet, so you need to create minimum two wallets. So the first one, the one I created, ICC, is my master wallet in which I will get the payment, and this is a sub wallet which I will use for the miner. So I'll name it as sub1 and press enter. Now you need to press your password. I will create it as ICC/1. Okay, so this is my sub wallet. So this is the address, and this is. So in command line, you only have to select whatever you want to copy, and just click on, just do a right click. So that means it has already been copied. You go to the Word document and you can paste it. So in this way, similar way, I would suggest you to create at least 5 addresses. We change the name to sub-2 and press enter and press the password. So in I'm copying the address and the seed words and the private key also. Do a right click and so make sure you back up all this information. If you want to back up in your personal hard disk or whatever way, or you want to take a printout, because I would suggest don't keep it in your desktop or your laptop, because this contains the seed phrase and this also contains the private key. So best is just take a printout, or maybe you can note down in your diary. Our wallets are created. We need to go to the Discord server of Nimble Network. So from here you can go to Discord of Nimble Network, go to wallet application and click on apply. Now it says master wallet, sub wallet up to 10, and your location and where did you learn about Nimble Network. So in master wallet I will put my first address, the first address I created, ICC. I'll put this address in my master wallet, and in the sub wallets I'll put my second address. So second address is, it starts with Nimble, so it's easy, this one, ICC1. This is my sub wallet. Paste, and you can separate it with and this is my third address. I'll tell you why we have created like 3 addresses. You can put your location, whatever location. If you're in India, you can put India, and how you are planning to mine Nimble tokens. If you have your own CPU, you can type the CPU and name the CPU, maybe it's 3060 or 3070. And how did you hear about Nimble network? You can put my name, ICC trade, and you can click on submit. I'm not going to submit this because I've already created my wallet. This step was only for the video purpose. Okay, so now we need to wait for our approval of wallets. Once the wallets are approved, and you'll get a message in Discord that the wallet is approved. The best way to check if the wallet is approved or not is go to the miner tools and go to balance checker, and here you need to put the master wallet address. So this is my master wallet address. You need to put the master wallet address over here and click on check balance. So it says error not registered. So once your wallet is registered, you'll get a balance at 0000. So once you get the balance 0, that means your wallet is registered and we are ready to pre-mine Nimble tokens. Now how we are going to set up the GPU and how we are going to set up our virtual private server, I'll show you in second part of this video once the wallet is approved. So thank you for your time and have a great day.